27, remove element. Given an array nums and a value val, remove all instances of that value in place and return a new length. Do not allocate extra space for another array. You must do this by modifying the input array in place of one extra memory. The order of the elements can be changed. It doesn't matter what you leave beyond the new length. Okay. Your function. Wait, what? Okay. So for here, we'll just anybody enters in the way. What? Oh, we have to return a length. Wait, what? There's a way. Let me read it again for a sec. Um, you can actually, I mean, I guess they're just trying to get you to do this, uh, like an in-place removal and then return the length of the array, even though the length is obviously much easier to calculate than doing the removal in place. But in the spirit of doing this as an uh, in the context of the interview, obviously in an interview you can't just be like, oh, I'll just return this and then like smile at the interviewer, hoping that he or she gets it. I think it just is intentionally a little weird. So I'm gonna try to do that by removing an element, though it's always a little weird in Python because actually in place is okay. Hey, is XP? Am I legal? No, I mean I just like I think so yeah, the way I always mention it, which is still true, because I've been actually doing, I mean, not Leetcode per se, but kind of these kind of problems, if you will, for the last like 10 years. I just actually recently-ish, well, as recent as the stream has been going, um, that yeah, I mean, I just like solving these like I solve or try to solve crossword puzzles and Sudoku and those things. Uh, it's just I enjoy doing them. It's like I mean I do learn stuff in crossword puzzles, but I still suck very much at them. But so and Sudoku is fun, but this is just what I like doing sometimes. But yeah, hopefully that answered your question. But cool. All right, remove element. Let's remove it. I mean, okay. So we just need to keep track of. Yeah, it's like a two-pointer thing, right? So okay. Can you do this in Python actually? Oh no, my oops, what am I doing? I'm too used to the regular. I'll have to. I think I use different Emacs settings actually. Like, okay. Anyway, my cursor wasn't using correctly, but cool. Uh, okay, so if is equal to oh wow, then we ignore it. Otherwise, left is equal to right. Right. Let's just print this out, and then also is equal to okay. Hmm. What is my return value? Why is this like so weird? Oh, I guess it still checks the nums away. Just that I return it because I do edit stuff in place. Okay, that's kind of okay. So I'm glad I did not do this silly hack around. Though I mean, this is not that much worse. But okay, cool. How is this right? Well, why is that accepted? I think the accepted is a wrong maybe actually, because what am I removing? Two? Oh. Oh, the orders of elements can change, doesn't matter. Okay. Okay. That is actually unexpected for whatever reason. Because I don't know, I did it in order, so I guess I didn't even need it in order. I could do it backwards, but whatever. Okay, so let's submit this then. Really weird problem, maybe. Watch I get it wrong. So okay, cool. Pretty fast. Made up a little bit for the last form's really slowness and using all the memory. Yeah, but overall I used the two finger algorithm. I think you could actually put your two fingers in any way because I didn't realize the orders can be changed. But in general, for me, I just keep one finger, the point or one pointer, the left pointer on the beginning, and then the right pointer at the end, and then skipping over numbers that is equal to wow. You return the length when you change the nums, which I guess gets checked. But overall, um, I would say this is a. I mean, it's a little quirky, but it's still. I definitely. I mean, I haven't seen this problem per se, but I've definitely seen similar problems where you have to like do some in place thing where you remove certain things. Maybe not just one number. Maybe it's a little bit more tricky even. So with that, I think you're likely to, or you can possibly see this on an interview. So it is definitely the right difficulty level or easy enough. And yeah, this is all n. Actually don't even know what n is, but you shouldn't do anything of n square or something like that. But yeah, sort of n just fast enough, um, and or one space or one extra space anyway, because modifying input away it's just a weird um, thing to analyze for in some sense. But well, you just have to make all those things explicit. That's all. But yeah, yeah, I mean, it's another easy, which I think for this one, it's an app difficulty, so I expect to see those in the interview. Or like, don't be surprised if you do well, and because expectations are a little tricky. But okay,